This building looks serious, and it is serious. I'll be walking you through a day in my life as an intern working in Vidhan Sauda. The energy inside Vidhan Sauda is crazy. You can see a lot of people running around, making multiple calls. There's like a whole lot of coordination happening. We have the advisor, the personal secretary, and the PA all working together. I'm interning in the Speaker's office, Mr. UT Khadar sir. He is the Speaker of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly. He overlooks the session and he makes sure that the ruling and the opposition both get enough time to talk and have a substantial debate about the issues that's happening in the session. It has been an exceptional journey for me. Past 3 months, I've been able to learn so much. Working under Speaker's office has given me immense experience. I've graduated in political science and I've learned a lot of theory-based things, but seeing how things work in real life has been really a wonderful experience. So I start my day at around 9 to 10 a.m. I enter through the main gate and I'll have to show the pass. Then I'll be entering the building and again I'll have to go through a security check. Then I'll enter the tea chamber, the big door that you have there. Again, security check-in.
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute, please.
Then I enter the Speaker's office and then I greet him, I talk to him. I ask what's going to happen today, what are the discussions about.
Islam, how are you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How's the session going?
ಗುಡ್ ನೈಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಧಿವೇಶನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹುಶಃ ಪ್ರತಿಪಕ್ಷ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಿರೋ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲ ಭಾಷಣ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಚರ್ಚೆ ನಡೆಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ತದನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ NRG ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ನಿಲುವೇನಿದೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
Thank you, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
When I approached him asking for an internship, he was really happy and he wanted more people like me to come intern in Vidhan Sauda and get to know the rules and procedures and how things work. And after that, he goes to his office and he makes sure that he talks to his constituency people. He addresses their grievances and make sure that they are able to come up to a solution. When the quorum is set, we go back to the office, the tea chamber. Then he enters the session. Then I go to the gallery section and then listen to the session that's happening. Maybe it's a question hour or a general discussion. Generally, it's a question hour in the first half of the day and then general discussion in the second half of the day. General discussion is much fun than question hour because that is when the issues are brought up in the session. Sometimes they do fight. There's like a lot of intense drama happening.
ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Currently, the session that's happening is the joint session of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly, which is the 16th one. There's been a lot of tensions and drama that's been happening so far. The governor's walkout, the opposition protesting in the assembly. Everything has been historic, I would say. Post that there's break, we come down, have lunch. There's like two launch sections. One is ruling and one is the opposition. Most of the MLAs, when they take break, they come sit in the lounge, have discussions. That is where I get to talk to most of them when they're chilling. And that is when all the ministers come in, maybe, have backdoor discussions, negotiations, and they're able to come to a consensus. That's something that was really new to me. Backdoor meetings are crucial for the session to be continued in a smooth way. Then in the end, the CM has to address the session, and I think that's the most important part of the session. It continues until 7 o'clock in the evening and then Speaker wraps up the whole thing. When he comes out of the door, he has that smile in his face. I think that was something really fascinating for me because for someone who's handling the entire session, it is very tiring and it takes a lot of energy, but he makes sure that he enters with a smile and exits with a smile.
My name is P. Om Prakash. I served as Secretary of the Assembly. I have about 40 40 years experience in this legislature, and I am assisting the Honorable Speaker in respect of the parliamentary matters.
ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಸರಳ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ, ಬಡವರು ಬಲ್ಲಿದರು ಅಂತ ಏನು ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಸನ್ಮುಖಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೋಪ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಷ್ಠುರವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬುದ್ಧಿವಾದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಜನಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಸರಳ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವದಿಂದನೇ ಬಡವ್ರನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಾಹುಕಾರನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಆ ಜಾತಿ ಈ ಜಾತಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ದಿರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿಲಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಒಂಥರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಣ ಇದೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇತರರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ನಮಗೊಂದು ಅಂತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನೋದೇ ಅವ್ರು ತಿಂತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ತಿನ್ನೋದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಆ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಅಷ್ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ.
ಅವರೊಬ್ಬ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ, ಕಾನೂನು ಬಾಹಿರವಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಏನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಒಂದಂತೂ ನಾನು ಮೆಚ್ಚಲೇಬೇಕು, ಅವರಿಂದ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ತಾಳ್ಮೆ. ವೆರಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿರೋ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡೈಲಿ ರೊಟೇಷನು, ಜನ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅವರಿಂದ ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ಕಲಿಯೋದು ಒಂದು.
Watching him not as a speaker but as a human being, I've got to learn a lot of things from him. He is very calm and composed. He gives out the subtle jokes and that's something that keeps the mood very light. We see Sir munching on charmuri during his free time. Sir, is charmuri your favorite snack?
Yeah, from college days only I used to have it. So once in a while, now free time we will take. It will give more energy.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
This is called charmuri. This is one of Mangalore's famous snack to munch on. Speaker has taken an initiative to bring them all the way from Mangalore and let the MLAs taste one of the delicacies of Mangalore. So you have carrots, onions, tomatoes, raw mangoes, all of them mixed with rice kind of thing. I don't know what you call that in English. In Beri we called it uriaki. Oh, important thing, coconut oil that enhances the flavor of charmuri. Yeah, thank you for reminding. People think that ministers are very arrogant and they're rude sometimes, but not in the case with UT Khadar sir. Even when he gets stressed, he makes sure that it is not affecting the other person. If at all I would want to become a politician, I think he would be the role model I would look up to. I would like to thank the speaker for giving me such an opportunity, because I don't think this opportunity is availed by everyone that easily. I would encourage each and everyone to grab the opportunity and not just sit in your comfort zone. It's 7:44 and we are done for the day. So I got to talk to a lot of MLAs, many unexpected MLAs like Lakshmi Hebalkar. Yeah, that's it guys. That's it. Thank you for watching. Show some love. Bye.
No, you have performed very good internship. I hope you will do well in future. All the best. Good luck. Do well.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಕವಿತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಕವಿತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆದರೆ ನಾನೊಂದು ಬರೆದೆ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಪತ್ರ. ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ ಸೇರಿತ್ತು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲರ ಹತ್ರ. ಅವರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು TCಯ ಪತ್ರ. ಚಾಟಿ ಏಟು ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹತ್ರ.
Oh, okay. Take care, sir. Sure. Take care. 100%. Okay. Tomorrow. Are you coming tomorrow?